Yo, what is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. Today we are finally prepping for WeekFest LA, and I am finally gonna get my car ceramic coated. It's been so long and I've wanted to do this forever, and now we're finally gonna get to do it. It is 7 in the morning. I'm gonna go drop off my car to this one guy that I found on Instagram through Edwin. He told me that he can make me fall in love with my black car again, and I believe it. So we're gonna go drop off the car. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to film any of it because I have to go to work and be there all day. He is paint correcting my car and then doing ceramic coat, so it's gonna take about like 7 to 8 hours. Hopefully he filmed some clips that I can throw into this video as well, but I cannot wait because you guys know having a black car is terrible to maintain, but it looks so amazing when it's clean. This baby's finally gonna get what she deserves. What's up, bro?
Chilling, brother. You ready to do this or what?
Yeah.
Another black beauty, another black gem right here, my man. I like this.
Thank you.
It's gonna be a fun day today, bro.
I feel bad for you.
I love your build though, bro. It's really nice, man.
Thank you.
We both got the black cars, so I can relate. Definitely.
Check out Danny's car. This is clean. I'm surprised I haven't seen it on the road because he lives so close to me. Woo! Like butter. Can't wait to get my car like this. Damn. Damn. If you guys want to check out Danny, his Instagram is Culture Auto Spa. Tell him I sent you and he'll take care of you. All right, bro, so I gotta get to work. It's aired up all the way for you so you can get everything you need to, but
I can clean inside, get all the,
I think the only thing I'd want you to take care of or be safe around is that. I don't know if you can see
bubble,
this. Yeah, but it's like an actual, you can feel like, if I were to get my nail, I could chip that.
Yeah. Okay, so I'll be, when I pass the polisher, I'm just gonna pass that.
So I know in the future I'm gonna repaint the bumper one more time, have you coat it, and then just put the car away. Yeah. And then drive like my next car.
I'm gonna document everything for you too, bro.
Yeah. Okay, thank you, bro.
All right, my bro. Good to see you, bro.
You too. Huge shout out to my baby mama for taking me to work.
Yo, what's up, everybody? It's Culture Auto Spa here. Just want to show you guys what we're going to be working on today. So today we got this beautiful black Lexus here from our boy Jason. So this is definitely going to take a few steps. You know, we got to do a full decontamination wash on this, a full clay bar on the body and wheels, make sure we get it nice and smooth prior to the paint correction, which is really what takes the longest on a job like this. So you guys are gonna get an insight of what's gonna go on today. What we're specializing in here is the ceramic. You know, we're gonna make sure it gets coated, protected for our boy, protect these rims as well. And if you guys have any questions, just go ahead and send us a message. Hit me in the DM if you guys have any questions or if you want to book. Right, everybody, so let's get these wheels dialed in. It's the first thing I like to get right, getting all these wheels properly cleaned. You know, wheels are like shoes to me. You know, you get the wheels right, your whole suit looks right, you know. So get the iron out of these. If you see there, it's already dripping. You know, getting some of these contaminants off. But stay tuned, let's get these wheels dialed in right, and then we'll go ahead and take care of the rest of the car. All right, guys, got these wheels dialed in here. Next thing is we gotta rinse her down. Get that nice rinse out. Next thing would be to give these wheels a little bit of more soap, a little bit of more cleaning. All right, ladies and gentlemen, nothing like a hand wash, you know. Get this nice and clean. All right, guys, the big part here, we're gonna go ahead and clay bar the car down. Make sure it's nice and smooth prior to the paint correction. Even all this glass, make sure all this contaminants are off it. So we got this decontamination wash done, the clay bar done. Next thing, we wanna get all this water. So this is most likely going to be a two-step paint correction. What that means is that the first step is that we do all the cutting And making sure all these swirls, scratches get out of here. And then the second step, we'll go ahead and do a polish. Polish is gonna go ahead and leave a nice shine on this prior to the ceramic. Let's go ahead and get it corrected. Paint correction continues. We gotta get all this situated. A lot of people ask me why I put this on. Why you put this on, bro? When I polish, it releases a little dust. It doesn't get into the rims that I already cleaned. I'm hoping this comes out in the camera. There's a lot of scratches here. A lot of scratches, but I just want to show you guys the good side. Man, it's looking great. All right, everybody, so we're gonna go ahead and start the ceramic coating. It's gonna be the first layer of ceramic coating. We removed all the polish oils. Now we can go ahead and ceramic coat. Really what takes the longest is the paint correction. Once you get that done, you can go ahead and apply the ceramic as you see here. Beautiful. So we finished all the ceramic on the paint, the glass, all the trims. Next thing we're gonna do is these wheels. So we're gonna go ahead and ceramic coat all the wheels, make sure we get into all these little grooves. And we're pretty much almost done, but that's the last thing. With the rims, it's a 2-year ceramic coating, heat resistant, up to 1200 degrees, which is pretty hot. It's heat resistant due to the, the elevated temperature levels, just with your wheel, your brake caliper, all these components here, which get a little hotter.
Finally off work, gonna see this in person. Damn, Danny got the demon eyes on. Damn, this matches my car. What up, bro? Dude, thank you again. Looking like a baby's butt.
It feels like a baby's butt, bro.
Damn, I like it. So was it fun? Was it
hard?
bro.
Some good work. I like working on black cars, man. I gotta say that, man, since I got a black car. It turned out nicer than you think, man, to be honest with you. I noticed some of the paint on the, because this was carbon, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I noticed that, and the paint on the trunk is like a little thinner.
I have a new painter now.
Yeah.
And he said for my hood, it's gonna lift eventually, probably middle of next year, so I'm gonna have to respray it.
I mean, the ceramic's definitely gonna help.
For sure.
The ceramic's definitely gonna help it. It's pretty much, you could say it's like clear coat in a way.
So is ceramic worth it?
Yeah, man. This is a 3 to 5 year ceramic. I definitely use the good stuff. I'm using G technique, so you definitely get the hydrophobic properties.
But
shine.
It doesn't keep your car from getting dusty, huh?
It becomes less dusty since the paint's slick. It's most of the dust's gonna fall off. But I mean,
I can use like a leaf blower.
You could. Yeah, that's what I use. I use a leaf blower to get most of it off. Same when I wash it, bro. When you wash it, to avoid like contacting like towels and all that, I just use a blower. You're gonna notice the water it's pretty much falling off the car. So that's one of the better features you're gonna get. It's gonna make it easier to wash the car. On the wheels, we did a 2-year ceramic.
Damn, this is the cleanest I've ever seen it.
Yeah, bro. Once you get the wheels dialed in, it makes everything. They're like shoes to me, man.
Yeah.
The wheels right. I noticed you had a lot of like embedded particles on, mainly the chrome. The chrome was what looked really dirty.
I saw like almost like a permanent water spot sometimes too.
Yeah, and that really came off with iron removers. That's really like what kind of breaks that down, but you got to be careful of not leaving the iron remover too long on chrome, because it can really like etch it.
Sheesh. I know there's like little tiny things that you couldn't do, but that's just because it's damaged. It's not necessarily like you couldn't remove it. It's just...
some of these scratches are pretty deep. Like there was a few on the door that, I mean, there's so much that you can do. It's looking nice, man. I got a lot of content as well on my GoPro.
Cool.
You can use it for your channel.
Thank you.
A lot of people were loving this, man. I have a lot of Lexus Toyota followers who are like, yo, man, this shit's sick.
I was hyped that you aired it out. So I was like, hey, what's up? He knows what's up.
I was like, hold on, let me see. That's the one. For the video, I was like, hold on, let me drop it down for the video, you know.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the cinematics. I love the way the car looks. Like, I'm mind blown right now. This is like how it looked when I first got it off the lot. Like, oh my god. Freaking glass. So sick. We have some more Lexus boys. Oh, that is so sick. He just bought this car and it is so clean. Roadie forms? Roadie forms? Damn. Super mint. The people over there actually asked me to do a photo shoot, which is kind of cool because they have like a class project for college or something and they just wanted me to be the subject, which is kind of cool. I couldn't say no. But the main reason was to come and show this off. Oh my god. The wheels too, ceramic coated. Dude, the wheels didn't even look this good when I bought them. He just brought them back to life. Guys, it is so shiny, I can't even believe it. Like, totally worth it. Huge shout out to you, Danny. Thank you once again. If any of you guys need a ceramic coat, paint correction, whatever it is, Danny will take care of you. And his Instagram will be right here, Culture Auto Spa. He didn't get to ceramic coat the interior, unfortunately. He'll do it next time. But he wanted to ceramic coat my carbon pieces because why not? He wanted to, so I'll take you up on that offer, Danny. He's gonna do my engine bay as well. I am officially in love with my car once again. Time to drive this home. Thank you guys so much for making it to the end of the video. I'm editing it, but you guys are currently watching it. Inception. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If any of you guys are interested in ceramic coat, please hit up my boy Danny. It is totally worth it. Honestly, no complaints. I wish I would have done it sooner, but it can be a little expensive. So thank you, Danny, for hooking it up. Now we're going to pick our giveaway winner. Since I never really show you guys exactly how I pick the giveaway winners, let me show you just to show that everyone has a fair chance and it is legit. So I just head on to this website, put in my video URL, filter duplicates, and get YouTube comments. It doesn't include replies, so it doesn't include my comments, which is good. And ready? Let's see who the winner is. The winner is Kevin X. Congratulations, bro. Since you are the winner, please send me an email. I'm going to comment on your comment on the video. And just make sure you reply to that with all of the information that I'm asking for. You win a throttle controller by Wind Booster. I believe it is the GT model and it is going to be shipped from them directly to you. Thank you guys once again for entering the giveaway and always supporting me. I really appreciate it. I hope I could do more giveaways like this. If I could ever get sponsored by a bigger company, let's say BBS Wheels for example, that'd be freaking awesome. We could do a giveaway, or I can even give away my own personal set. But we all know wheel sponsorships are impossible, especially with BBS, which is my favorite wheel company. Hopefully someday you guys all get a chance to win something even bigger and better, and hopefully we can keep climbing up the ladder, you know? If I eat, we all eat. But if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. We are this close to 30K. 30 freaking K. That is awesome. Thank you guys so much for everything. Next video is going to be Week Fest. It should have been uploaded today, but I've been working so much overtime and my schedule is just completely screwed up. It's probably gonna come out sometime next week. Yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed that video as well. I will catch you guys in the next video. And don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Oh, later.